So guys, I'm here Siddesh, and today we are going to talk about cars. And if you're one of those persons who wants to buy a car, old one or a new one, so let me tell you from a used car and a new car. So first of all, uh, here we have three criteria: buying cost, maintenance cost, and running cost. So I'm going to tell you all. So first of all, buying cost. If you are buying a new car on a loan, then let me tell you the loan interest rates. Loan rates for a new car. For a new car, the bank can cover 90 to 95% of the value of the car. So means if you are taking a car at for example Swift Desire, which is, is the new Tata Nexon, which price is 18 lakhs, then you need little then if you are taking a loan on from the 18 lakhs, lakhs 18 minus 18 lakhs, so for the bank will pay 17 lakhs approximate 17 point 500 90%. So no, maybe a car which if you are buying a top model of a Honda City, then which is like now 10 lakhs. Yes, today, right? The day which I am recording. Okay. And so then, hmm, I cannot get it now. So 10 lakhs, then a bank will give you a loan, which 9 lakhs is from the loans. 9 lakhs 50,000. 9 lakhs 50,000 is loan, 95%. So you have to only pay 50,000 from your own pocket. But if you are buying a used car, then the bank will pay only 70 to 75%. If you are buying a used car, which is driven for 1 to 2 years, as a car uh, another Honda's XUV. No, there is a XUV of Honda. At 12 lakhs, and then the person which you are the second hand vehicle which you are buying from
कॉपी करून दे
is
तिकडला कॉपी करून दे
literally not good. Not good. And guys, actually I got this idea from Sarada City. Subscribe to this channel also and that channel also, because this is not whole. This is not simply copy, but I have put my own knowledge in. So, at 12 lakhs, then that actually has driven for 2 years. So, 20% has gone. So, it will be for 10 lakhs. Then, but the bank will give only uh, uh, 70 to 75% only. So if you are buying the XUV of that, and it will come, the bank will give 7.5 lakhs at maximum, and then you need to pay 2.5 lakhs from your own pocket. So that is a great loss, since it's a new car you are getting into, and then there is also interest rate also. Then buying price, which if I'm buying an old vehicle, but then it will just eat up your money fast. It will eat the money very fast. With help of nothing. It will eat your money, drain your money very fast, which can also make you a little bit going from a top middle class, upper middle class to lower middle class also. But now, not this are the disadvantage also. So now it is more. Now you need at the loan. What are the interest rates? The interest rate of the loan. I will put IR for short, interest rate of the loan. For the new car, it is only 8 to 9%. 8 to 9%. And means you can have, and it will drain less money from your pocket after this cost. Then now that is not enough. There is also more thing now. Then but if you are buying a used one, the interest rate can be high, 13 to a whopping 17%, depending on bank or bank. But it will come in this ratio only, 13 to 17 for a used car. So means first of all, your money already drained by the second-hand car, and then the money you are drained is also draining fast. So then this is called technique. But you can avoid loan if you have a car which is under 2 lakhs. Yeah, not under 2 lakhs. If you're under 4 lakhs, if you have a budget of 4 lakhs, then and there is a Swift Desire, good condition second hand, then 3 lakhs 80,000, and then you will get a profit. Means you have to ignore this. Your money will on pocket, but it will not drain any further. But loan, no. Now the last, the resale value. So this was the buy cost. Yeah. And let me tell you an example. If you are buying a Honda City, a new Honda City top model, then you will have almost, you will get loan which is high loan, and then you will get 90 to 95% loan, then your money will not get drained so fast. But if you are getting a used car, then your money will drain, instant drain, and then it will keep draining. So here is what we need. So here, then also it's from the buying provider and resale price also. So now I'm going to tell you now the running cost. So if you buy new car and used car, then mileage is very important. So means if you are buying a new vehicle, you get 15 to 20 kilometers per 20 kilometers per liter, and then in a used car 10 to 13 kilometers. This much range. And now there one more. So if the both cars which you have bought, if you have a used Honda City and a new Honda City, so let me tell you now. So then you will have a very high. Then you have to give extra money. Since if you have a 30-liter tank, not the tank used in war. It has a little mileage of 7 to 8 kilometers per liter, the actual tank. But 30 liters has capacity holding tank. Then for if you want to fill up full for new car, so the boat price is so if it is 10 rupees per liter, these are not actual price, oils are pretty high. 10 liters, 10 rupees per liter, then it will be 300 rupees. But now here is the catch. In how much time the fuel will be used? So here the mileage thingy. So the second hand has a mileage of 10 kilometers per liter. So for the vehicle 10 kilometers per liter, and then you have 30 liters. No. So the vehicle will go for only 300 kilometers. Only 300 kilometers. But if the mileage, the new vehicle mileage is 20 lakhs, it will go double. Double rate. So this is how you work. How you get. Then you get 600 kilometers.
जळला वाटते हलवा कोण बनला जळला तो
अरे
जळला
व्हिडिओ बनवतोय ना.
व्हिडिओ चालू आहे.
जळून गेला सगळं
Okay, guys. My parents are
आणि तो टेस्टी खाऊ का
My parents are talking something about food. Let it go. I'm also getting a little bit hungry. But let's get back to the topic. So means the new vehicle is less hungry than a used vehicle. So means you are getting poor mileage also. Yeah. One exception was one vehicle made by Maruti Suzuki which just disappeared in every world right, in 2015. And it is that vehicle mileage was just 13 kilometers per very pretty horrible mileage. But little bit. So you are getting full mileage also. Then how much extra? So means this like vehicle you are paying twice frequently to fill up your tank. So means if you are driving 100 600 kilometers per day, I know it is incorrect, so then well you have to new car only 300 rupees, yeah 600 rupees 600 rupees then there's more. Oh. And the 600 multiplied by 30. 6 multiplied by equal 18000. So in a month you're spending 18,000 a month in a new vehicle, but you're only spending from a new vehicle 9,000. Then there is more also. And here 360 and then we add the 5. So let me calculate this. Let me first do the calculation. Here maths is very important. Maths is very important. So we have 6. Which is 46 multiplied by 6, 36, 36, 63, 18, 2, 1, 6, 0, and then the 2 extra zeros. And then here so many guys, right? If you are driving it in a year, then 600 kilometers in a year, then the petrol cost in a year would be 2 lakhs 219,000. Well, if you buy a new vehicle in a year, then it will be 1,900 100,000 109,500. This will be the cost of the vehicle, the petrol cost. So means first of all you are spending this much. Then if you are now here, then extras you are paying 100. So you are in a year, if you are driving here, and in a year you are spending extra 0 rupees, but you are spending a whopping in spending in this much extra rupees for same vehicle but old. So now thing is not ended yet. Now maintenance cost of a used vehicle. Of a used vehicle maintenance cost. Now here in maintenance, here we have to maintain it frequently. So means if the maintenance cost is 10,000 and 10,000, then you have to move twice as frequently. So if you are in a new vehicle, it will be just fully yes, just fully. Not. Yeah. I'm recording very much. I am also exhausted also. That's why. So 10,000. And so taking all that as extras, then first you have 3,80,000 for interest rate, and then I will do each and everything calculation. The bank interest, the calculations of each and everything. 10,000 of a new vehicle, you can 6 months in 6 months, but for old vehicle, once in 3 months. Once in 3 months. Not in my handwriting is bad. My handwriting is good, but it is very hard to write like this. So you are in 3 months. So in a year, where the maintenance cost, which is 20,000, here with the old, you are paying 40,000. So here 40,000, and then maintenance also 40,000. And this is not case, this is just an example. Actually, sometimes when vehicle condition is so bad that they need to be serviced once in a month. It is so sometimes it is very dangerous. 1.5 months. Hello. बोल रे बाळा. क्रिकेट खेळायला. सिद्धेश क्रिकेट खेळायला जा. हां. And now this is the last part. Now the resale value. So let me tell you now. So if when you buy a new vehicle, when you buy new vehicle, buy the start. The moment you drive, its value decreases by 10% decreases. If you drive the vehicle for 2 years, 20%, 3 years, 30%, 4 years,
मग वाटतं आहेच माझे खूप लोक वाटत
40%, 5 years,
ते संपू रे बाबा
50%, and more than 5 years, then it will be in the hands of, and then it will be the hands of the policy. It will be hands of the police. Hmm? Or plan. And yeah. So, sometimes people plan this much that and they do not know what to plan. And yeah. Because of this, I am getting angry. Then now this video might be very long for learning this, but now so here then here how much you are getting now this much. So say if you're buying a 10 Honda City 10 years, so after 55 years you can sell. You have to sell on 5 lakhs. You can't increase also a single paisa also. You try to increase, it will consider illegal. You get a fine or correct. Now let me tell you the losses. First of all, in a loss. Because if you are buying a vehicle second hand, then you will get a loss of 2 lakhs or 10 lakh. This is the loss for 10 lakh for a used car and new car which prices are 10 lakh. So first you lose 2 lakhs, then running cost which you lose 120 lakh. You use 1 lakh. Where you are using this much money, then maintenance which you are using 20,000, and then resale price also, where your buy price, where you have used the used vehicle for 5 years, then so this, and if you add this much, or if you add this much, then you will have a loss of 5,79,500 for international tourists. 579,500. So this much loss you will get buying a 10 lakh vehicle, buying a vehicle, second hand vehicle from by price of 10 lakhs. So this much is the loss you get. And this much losses the new vehicle you will not get. It's only for the old vehicle. So this much losses you get if you buy a second-hand vehicle at a buy price of 10 lakhs. So hope you like this video. Video is very long, by the way. So hope you like this video. So guys, hope you like this informative video and thank you. Like, subscribe. And yeah, your help. It will be a very great help. Bye bye. Peace.